Okay, so we got this in front of the mudroom. We got boards running lengthwise. Everything seems to be 2x6. 2x6 on the ground. I think at the corner we got a little 2x6. Maybe it's might be irregular, just ripped. The ground deck runs over here, and then we've got a bunch of skirt boards that kind of are around the outside. Then the upper entry deck, 2x6s. So we'd want to change out the skirt boards, change out the deck boards, of course. And let's walk around here. Same kind of thing. Skirt boards. Let's see, then we got on the master deck. Same thing, skirt boards and grain. Kind of straightforward. I think it's a pretty simple deck that they put together. You have boards, 1.5-inch boards on the stairs, skirt running around onto the back here. Same thing, just straight boards, skirt. Some steps. And kind of just got some boards going around. It could probably be done a little better, but pretty much it looks like there's a bunch of boards at the edge that are kind of just rips, and maybe you'd start at the edge and work your way back. It might be a little bit cleaner, but not a big deal. So there's the deck. Thanks.